Yo, what's up, everyone? We rely on our smartphones for basically everything these days, right? From those epic late-night chats to irreplaceable photos and videos, it's all there. But what happens when your phone decides to take an unexpected nosedive into the concrete, or worse, it just dies? Don't panic, because in this video, I'm breaking down the easiest and most effective ways to back up your entire smartphone automatically. We're talking contacts, photos, videos, apps, messages, the whole 9 yards. So, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of smartphone backups. Alright, let's kick things off with the easiest solution first. The built-in backup options that both Android and iPhones offer. For you Android users, Google's got your back with Google Backup. Just head over to your phone's settings, scroll down to System, and tap on Backup. Here, make sure Backup to Google Drive is toggled on. This backs up your app data, call history, contacts, and those precious photos. Make sure Backup and Sync is enabled in Google Photos, and you're good to go. Now, for all my iPhone folks out there, Apple's got your back with iCloud Backup. Head over to Settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top, go to iCloud, and then iCloud Backup. Make sure this is toggled on. Now, while the built-in options are great for peace of mind, sometimes you need something a little more robust. That's where the big guns of cloud storage come in: Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Download the app that vibes with you, Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, and get it set up on your phone. You can choose exactly what you want to back up, from specific folders to individual files. Want to make sure those vacation photos are safe and sound? Just set up automatic syncing for your camera roll. Working on a super important document? Sync it to the cloud, and you'll never have to worry about losing your progress. These services are like having an extra copy of everything important, just in case. Plus, you can access your files from anywhere, anytime. Chapter 3. The old school heroes: SD cards and external drives. Sometimes the most reliable methods are the ones we've known for years, like good old-fashioned external storage. Android users, if your phone has an SD card slot, you can easily transfer files like photos, videos, and even some app data directly to the card. Just head over to your storage settings, select your SD card, and choose what you want to move. No SD card slot? No problem. A USB drive and an OTG cable can be your new best friend. iPhone users, while iCloud is your primary backup method, you can still back up to your computer using iTunes or Finder on macOS. Just connect your phone, select it in iTunes or Finder, and you'll see the option to back up your device. It's like taking a snapshot of your entire iPhone and storing it on your computer. Chapter 4. Unleash the power of third-party apps. For those who like to dive deeper and have more control, let's talk about third-party apps. Android users, if you're rooted, Titanium Backup is like the holy grail of Android backups. It can back up literally everything. But even if you're not rooted, apps like Helium or Super Backup and Restore can help you create comprehensive backups of your apps, data, and settings. iPhone users, while Apple likes to keep things pretty locked down, you can still find some great third-party options. iMazing and AnyTrans are two popular choices that give you more granular control over your backups, allowing you to back up things like your WhatsApp chats, messages, and even app data that iCloud doesn't always catch. Chapter 5. Backup Pro Tips: stay safe, stay secure. First things first, make sure your backups are actually happening. It sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people forget to check and end up with outdated backups. Second, keep an eye on your cloud storage: Google Drive, iCloud, Dropbox. They all have free storage tiers, but you'll likely need to upgrade at some point, especially if you're backing up a lot of photos and videos. Third, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Having multiple backup options, like using both a cloud service and an external drive, can save you a major headache if one method fails. Remember that backups are your digital safety net. Treat them like you would any other important aspect of your digital life. Outro: peace of mind. Your smartphone, your data, backed up. So there you have it. The ultimate guide to backing up your smartphone in 2024. From the simplicity of built-in options to the power of cloud storage and third-party apps, you've got all the tools you need to protect your precious data. Take a few minutes today to set up your backups and breathe a sigh of relief, knowing that your digital life is safe and sound. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more tips like this. See you in the next one.